how to find your friends on Yubo app. If you have your friend list, I'm going to show you how you can view your friend list on Yubo. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you need to have your Yubo app and sign into your account right here. Once you have signed into your account, you can see at the bottom of the screen there are many tabs. The swiping tab, the messages, your location, and many more. You can just tap on this friend icon right here, and from here you can see all of the incoming requests. You can accept the ones you like, and once you've accepted it, I'm going to show you where you can find the profile. So before you accept, you can even visit their profile to see what they're like, to make their friends, or you can even discover new people right here to add new friends. And once you do all of that, what you can do is tap on this profile icon at the top right, and from here you can scroll down and see friends option right here. Just tap on it and you can see all of your friends that you've just accepted. You can just tap on them and then tap on this message button to say or send any messages. So you can just send any message you like, and that's how you can see your friends on Yubo app. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.